The Honor Magic 7 Pro, equipped with MagicOS 9.0, delivers a robust and AI-enhanced user experience. This operating system introduces features like the Yo-Yo Smart Assistant, enabling users to perform tasks such as managing app notifications and subscriptions with a single voice command. The AI Magic Photo Editor enhances images by removing unwanted elements and applying filters, while the AI Notes feature transcribes meeting minutes, supporting multiple languages and dialects. Additionally, the AI Document Tool offers document Q&A, paper comparison, and one-click mind mapping, along with AI-assisted writing. The system also includes face swap detection, capable of detecting fraudulent AI-altered videos in real time, enhancing security during video calls and online interactions. Performance improvements are notable, with the Turbo X engine boosting graphics rendering speeds by 40% while reducing energy consumption by 11%, ensuring fluid visuals during gaming and multimedia use. The predictive scheduling engine optimizes system resources for smoother multitasking, maintaining a stable average frame rate even during heavy tasks. Furthermore, MagicOS 9.0 offers over 20 lock screen styles, including 3D and anime options, allowing for extensive personalization. Overall, MagicOS 9.0 significantly enhances the Honor Magic 7 Pro, providing a seamless, secure, and personalized user experience.